Alright, g'day guys, hope you're well. Today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to shoot a vlog today. I'm going to head out to Windang Island here, out on the coast, and we're going to walk to the top of it and see what we can see. It's something I've wanted to do for a while, so let's go. Alright, so we've just pulled up in the car park here down at Lake Illawarra, and Windang Island's over that way. Beautiful sunny day. It's about 1 PM and it's pretty windy out there, but I've got the drone with me, so should be able to get that up and get some cool shots as well. And let's get out there and we'll head out to Windang Island. Alright, so we're just making the walk out to the island now, and don't know if you can hear, it's pretty windy, but we'll get there. Just walking out on the sand, through some gaps in the sand dunes, and yeah, what a beautiful day. Sun's out, blue sky, happy days. Alright, so I'm just making my way up to Windang Island, and just almost at the bottom of it here, and if you can see over my shoulder, there's some remnants there of some old wheel wagons, some railway wheel wagons. If you're a local here, it's quite a famous photography spot. Everyone knows about the wagon wheels down here. What they're from, I believe, is they tried to put a port here in the 1800s, and they were going to railway rock that they dug out of one of the side of the islands, and they're going to transport that via railway. So these rail wheels you see behind me, they're left over from those wagons. Alright, we've just made it up on top of the island, and once again it is quite windy up here, but it's just beautiful. Great views and beautiful day. So we're going to walk up to the far eastern side and see what we can see up there. Let's go.
Been here once before.
Alright, so we're just about at the top. You can probably see the marker, which marks, I guess, the top of the island here behind me. And yeah, we're going to get up there, we'll see what we can see, and we'll put the drone up, and I'll show you how beautiful it is. Alright, so I've just walked over a little ledge here to get out of the wind a bit, but I'm on the what you would call, I guess, the southern side or the southeastern side, and beautiful views on this side across to Shellharbour, Bass Point, as you can hopefully see behind me. So yeah, I'm just going to head back down now and back to the car, and hope you've enjoyed this vlog.